guys, I'm back with more fun stuff on the Luminaire. So today we're going to be in the character decorative stitches in the sewing portion of the machine, and I'm going to show you guys the projector. Yeah, I said projector. What a time to be alive. Coolest thing ever. Okay, so I'm in the sewing section of the machine, and I have this awesome nice big screen so I can see what I'm doing really easily. But I have utility stitches and I have character decorative stitches. So once I hit this category, I still have all of these other categories that I can go through and select stitches. Now, right now, my very favorite ones, of course, are the Disney stitches. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pick the first stitch. Right here, you can see Mickey and the stars. It's really cute. So maybe I wanna see exactly what this looks like on my project. So I have this projector button right up here. I'm gonna hit my projector, and then over on the screen here, or excuse me, on the bed of the sewing machine over here, I can see my stitch exactly how it's gonna turn out. Coolest thing ever. Now I can adjust my width, I can adjust my length, and even the position of the stitch. And I have this little pen here that's gonna help me out. If you notice, I have a little button right here. Every time I hit the button and I make an adjustment, it will show on the screen. So I'm gonna go right over here, and I can actually audition and select new stitches. I can use my arrows right here, and I can pass through and audition different stitches.